Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. If your Microsoft Store is not working, so click to start button, go to setting, then click to app, then app and feature, scroll down, then scroll down Microsoft Store. Click to Microsoft Store, advanced option, click to advanced option. Scroll down. Firstly, you click to reset, repair. Now Microsoft Store is repairing. Then you click reset. Okay, then you click reset and click to reset. Now this is resetting. Okay, so now you can check it's working. Now I am search bar, store, it's open, click to now this is working properly. So guys, thank you